If you're looking for the best antivirus for iPhone, you might be a bit confused, because iPhones don't really work the same way as Windows or Android devices. Apple's system is very locked down, which means traditional antivirus apps can't scan your device in the same way. Instead, these apps focus more on privacy, web protection, and security features like blocking phishing links or protecting your data online. So in this video, we're going to look at two of the best options right now: Bitdefender and Surfshark Antivirus, and which one makes the most sense for iPhone users. And before we get into it, if you want to check the latest deals, you can find them in the description and pinned comment. Bitdefender on iPhone is less about traditional antivirus scanning and more about protecting your online activity. It includes features like web protection, which blocks malicious websites and phishing attempts and helps keep your browsing safe. It also focuses on privacy tools, making sure your data isn't exposed while you're using your device. Another advantage is that it's very lightweight and simple to use. You just install it, enable protection, and it runs quietly in the background. Bitdefender also integrates well with its broader ecosystem, so if you're already using it on your PC or Android, it's a nice addition for your iPhone as well. Now let's talk about Surfshark Antivirus. Surfshark is a bit different because it's part of a bigger package called Surfshark One. Instead of focusing only on antivirus, Surfshark gives you a full security bundle. You get a VPN, data breach alerts, private search, and antivirus protection all in one place. Since iOS limits traditional antivirus functionality, Surfshark focuses heavily on real-time online protection, privacy, and secure browsing, mainly through its VPN and additional tools. The VPN helps protect your connection, especially on public Wi-Fi, while features like alerts notify you if your data appears in leaks. While the antivirus itself is more relevant on desktop or Android, the overall package makes Surfshark a very strong option for iPhone security. So which one should you choose? If you want a simple and lightweight security app focused on safe browsing and privacy, Bitdefender is a great choice. But if you want a complete security toolkit, including a VPN, privacy tools, and additional features like data monitoring, then Surfshark is the better option overall. At the end of the day, both are great. It just depends on whether you want a basic protection app or a full security bundle. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and cybersecurity tips.